This exam application tutorial is on the topic of energy resources. The question for 6 marks: evaluate the use of tidal power as a method of generating electricity. In other words, what is tidal power, and discuss the advantages and disadvantages of using tidal power. So tidal power is when we use big dams built across river estuaries. As the tide comes in, it is allowed to build up to a height of several meters, so it's kept behind a dam where it builds up to several meters. The water is then allowed to flow through the dam, turning turbines as it passes, which you can see here. So it starts to turn the turbine, and there we have power being generated. Now for the advantages and disadvantages. Well, tidal power stations can only be built where suitable river estuaries are located, and that's not everywhere. It is a reliable energy source as it relies on the sun and moon's gravity, and we're not going to lose the sun or moon anytime soon, I hope. And it can generate a lot of energy. Also, always an easy mark to get is just stating whether it's a renewable or non-renewable energy resource. So tidal power is a renewable energy resource which lowers our dependency on fossil fuels, and that's always a good thing because they're running out and they're very polluting. It's more important that you focus on the advantages and disadvantages and be a bit more conservative if you're running out of time with your explanation of how it works. So as long as you have all the advantages and disadvantages and some sort of brief description of how it works, you'd get full marks.